Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded with the modest bullish bias. Specifically, US30 has hit 36,500 levels, while US100 is still struggling to break past by 16 to 60. Now, what to expect with the US session and with the CPI data? Which direction the indices are willing to break? Is it going to rocket high, or we are going to look forward to a crash? How to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, in order to get the live updates, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Let's start first to look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones, and I'll give you the trading levels and strategy with every update. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts for US 100. See, it has formed a nice cusp and it is trying to reverse. Thus, if you see it is staying beyond 16 to 80 levels, just stay bullish. We can look forward to a breakout which might take it till towards 16,350, 16,438 and 16,500 levels as well. Yes, it has stayed with a flat bottom, and a breakout either which ways is going to be a tremendous one. We all know that inflation data will definitely bring more volatility. Below 16,200 is the place where we can initiate a sell entry. In fact, if you want a safer entry, you can sell here at 16 to 35 levels and expect, and you have to just put a trailing stop loss because it is 16 to 2200, very good support levels here. If you look at the stochastic, this is at bottom. MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence. It can possibly converge a bit, means couple of greener candles. RSI has come out of the overbought levels. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2-hour charts. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts. There was a reversal sign after multiple smaller greener candles here. Also, the price is divergent from the 20-period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 16,160, 180 zone. And yes, it has formed a good base at around 16,240. So once it stays below these levels, we have to put a trailing stop loss. We have to wait for it to break further. And once it stays below 16,200, and 160 180 zone, certainly we can expect more bearishness, which is going to take it till towards 16,100. Right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has tried to converge. It has not yet crossover, and yes, it has scope for it to rise further. Remember this, it can continue to rise. RSI overbought here. Coming to 3-hour charts. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, couple of retracement candles. This is trying to bounce back. If you see, it is staying above 16 to 80 levels and 16,300 zone. Certainly one can look forward to 16,330, and then beyond 16,338 we can look forward to 16,400, 440 levels as the next resistance zone. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD is still bullish. It is still trying to trade in green, and it has scope for it to rise further. RSI is also overbought here. This is important. It is staying overbought. Coming to 4-hour chart, so only indications here are, see, the overbought levels and the divergence of the price from the moving average. These are the two indications which are suggestive that if it trades below 16,180, 160 zone, certainly more bearishness will take it till towards 16,100 levels. Multiple green candles, again it is trying to look upwards. We may find greater resistance at 16 to 80. So yes, you can buy here at 16 to 80 levels, but trade with caution as long as 340, 338, 350 levels are respected. The stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. Price is getting the support from the 20 period. Now trying to diverge again. The preceding candles comes with a flat top. This candle has started outside Bollinger Bands. This is important. It is outside Bollinger Bands. So even if it tries to stretch, the more it tries to stretch on the outside of the Bollinger Bands, the chances of a pullback will also remain equally high. Now, if you notice this, higher lows, higher highs, thus beyond 16 to 8340 zone is where further bullishness will take it towards 16,400 and plus levels. Also on the downside, we have already seen the resistance level. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy and look more into detail in the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. And yes, we have started a weekly webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets, including indices, commodities, and dollar. And yes, I also take up your questions live. So do register for the webinar. The monthly series comes with an additional benefit of 2 live consultations with me. Yes, you can schedule a call with me and we can do a live analysis for you, even if you are stuck into any trade and or you want me to do an analysis of any of the instruments across the globe. I'll do it for you. So yes, you can be part of this webinar series and enjoy the benefits. Register yourself. Visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for more details. I have shared the link here on my communities tab as well and on my free Telegram channel. So do join the free Telegram channel for live updates as well. Now, yes, on the daily chart, this is a second green candle, higher lows, higher highs, looking upwards. We will observe 16 to 83, 50, 340 zone. Beyond that, we can look forward to 400, 440, and in fact 500 levels. Stochastic is certainly overbought here. The MACD is willing to converge and crossover. Yes, it has shown a wave here. It is trying to crossover, and if it does, more bullishness may prevail. RSI rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 16 to 80 and sell at around 16 to 30 levels, 16 to 35 levels. Below this zone, you can expect, as long as 16 160 180 is respected, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Below 16 160, we can look forward to 16 100 as the next support levels, and once it stays below 16 100 is where the bear attack will be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see US30 on the hourly chart staying bullish, yielding higher lows, higher highs. There is a resistance at 36,500 levels, which is it is about to breach, staying above 36,500 and 530 levels is where we can see more bullishness, where one can look forward to 36,660, 36,800, in fact 37,000 levels, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. Right now, moving averages are sitting at 36,400, which has become a greater support for US30 for the day. It was the resistance till yesterday. It is going to be the support now. Stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. Look at MACD. This is at an elevated levels, but it is still having a scope for it to reverse from the current levels and rise. RSI overbought. Coming to 2-hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, double top is there. Higher lows, higher highs are there. We have to wait for 36,400 and 36,350 levels to be breached for further bearishness. See, this zone at 36,300 and 400 is going to play a critical role for US30 today. Only if it stays below 36,300, we can say further bearishness is going to prevail. It was earlier the resistance, now it is going to be the support. Stochastic has come out of the overbought levels. MACD is still in green. After the sharp drop, it is retracing and it is still bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 3-hour, look at 3-hour charts here. Higher lows, see increasing body size and higher highs. Thus 500, 525 is the resistance zone. 450 and 400 is the support zone here. It is consistently yielding higher highs here. See, it is stabilized here and now looking upwards, which suggests more bullishness may prevail here. But the worry point is only the divergence of the moving averages, or divergence of the price from the moving average, which is right now sitting at around 36,300, which is indeed a very, very good support. Stochastic is overbought. It has come out of the overbought levels, but MACD is divergent. MACD is still bullish and it is still looking upwards. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts here. Rise, rise, rise. Higher highs, 500, 525 levels to be seen. And then 550. Beyond 550 sky the limit. We are looking at 36,650, 800 and plus levels, and very soon it is going to hit 37,000 levels as well if it stays above 36,600 levels now. But the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, sitting at around 36,300 levels, which are also an achievable level, but right now it is not showing any signs of reversal, though the stochastic is overbought, but the MACD has just crossed over and it is looking upwards. It is trading with divergence and it is still trying to show bullishness, but look at the slope here and here. So a crossover here will call for the crash. RSI overbought. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Higher highs, higher lows are seen here. Yes, as we discussed, 500, 525, 550 and then 600. Yes, these are the levels beyond which sky is the limit. For US30, it has started on a flat note with the support at 36,400. This is the first support levels, and below which 36,350 and 300 are the two supports. If and only if you see US30 below 36,300, just stay short below 36,300, it is not going to come back. We are going to look forward to a major fall. Now, why this could be one of the possibilities? Again, the divergence of the moving averages and the divergence of the price from the moving average, that is the only point which suggests that it could try to show pullback. A stochastic has also come to overbought levels. MACD is also at the top here. It has tried to converge but failed to cross over, and it is still at an elevated levels here. See, last time when it did crossover, it has seen a sharper fall. Preceding levels also the same. Now it has come to the same level, so we will be watchful here. RSI overbought here. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 36,525 levels. Expect 36,550, 600, then 36,650, 800, and then 37,000 in the near future, even if it is possible by tomorrow as well. But yes, this is going to be the bullish track in which it can try to capture more moves. On the downside, if you see, it is staying below 36,400. That is the only level below which rather you can sell here at 36,430, but then be careful of 36,400, 350, 300. Two support levels on the downside. Below 36,300 is where the bears will take over for 36,200 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Join my webinar series as well. And yes, the signals channel. My Telegram email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. The platform details www.forexfunda.com is also available, where you can find all the services and the data points. And yes, you can also hit up me up on my Telegram and email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you.